everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you all the items that I purchased from IKEA and also from Dollar Tree. And also I want to know that what are the items that you purchased recently. Please comment down in the comment section. These are the glass containers to organize my pantry. I purchased 12 of them. I like the size of the containers and also the lid. Totally the shape looks very beautiful and we can see through the items what is there in the so this is very useful in the pantry organization. This is a one beautiful glass set that I purchased from IKEA. These are the shelf organizers, kitchen shelf organizers to separate the spoons and forks, and I like this one. And apart from this is also one bigger session for all the ladles. So these two are the organizers. And this is a steaming basket. I wanted to purchase from a long time, but I found it right now. So I purchased this one. This is another kitchen shelf organizers, bamboo organizers. I have used them to organize the scissors and miscellaneous items in the kitchen. These are the cushion covers I found in IKEA for a lower price, like $5, below $5, and it suits for any dining chair. And also it has some these attaching strings. We can easily attach and remove them. One more item we purchased is the dish scrubbers. We can fill out the dish liquid here and then we can use it. And this is a glass pitcher for a $2 and the glass is very strong. I wanted to use it in a laundry detergent or something else. And these are the measuring spoons. We found it there, so we purchased them. One shelf liner from IKEA. This is one beautiful flower vase I purchased from IKEA. It looks so real and it has all the colors and very beautiful item that I cannot leave it to buy. Every item from IKEA is so realistic and so beautiful. This is a old peace lily plant. I have it, and for this one I purchased this beautiful pot from IKEA, and almost all the plants are very good from IKEA. Most of the plants I purchase it from IKEA. For me, any item or any plant is very good quality for its price. So here is one more big plant that also from IKEA. This is a Dracaena plant and looking very beautiful. It gives lot of joy. Okay, now let's see the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. This is the paint brush that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I was doing one project for the painting. So actually their brushes were so much useful. I am out for one brush, so I purchased this brush, and these are the beautiful pots I found in Dollar Tree. For $1 they look so beautiful. We can also DIY with these things, so I purchased this one and the same one but in a different shape. The first one is in a deep way, this is a shallow one. So these two pots are very beautiful, so I purchased from Dollar Tree. And this is one more bowl I found in Dollar Tree. I have a purpose on here. I wanted to keep the dish pots here under the sink, so this is the reason I purchased it. And these are the frames I purchased. I have some project Irrespective of the frame quality, the photo is most important. So I found 5 of them, and for $1 they are very cheap. So that is one picture frames I purchased from Dollar Tree. This is a long vase I found in Dollar Tree. Very long vase. I wanted to buy it from a long time, but this time I found it. So other than this, I even found these beautiful blue color flowers. These flowers are so beautiful. Let's see how it looks like after you arrange all of them together. There are 3 bunches along with a long vase. See how much beauty it brings out any place. This is the rubbing alcohol I found in Dollar Tree. I have been using this rubbing alcohol in making the clothes, that I use it for cleaning the countertops. I was searching for these rubbing alcohol from a long time, but I found it right now. This is a clear jar that we can use it for keeping anything. I wanted to keep it for as oil in my puja mandir, so I purchased this one. So this is a paint set for $1. I wanted to try something, so for $1 anything to try is a good choice. So that's why I purchased this one. This is a dhoop stick holder for support, and it's been useful, so very good item. These are the wooden clips I found. For $1 these many count is big deal. I hope you all will like these hauls. So if you like any of the item, please mention in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.